Hello everyone. In this video we will see how can we create editable template in AEM. Okay, so the very first thing is what is template. So in AEM template can be of two types. One is static template, another one is editable template. Template is where we are giving authors the functionality so that they can change the layout. So first let's understand what do we mean by layout. I will just open the out of the box English page of AEM application. So layout means if you see this page, we have header, we have footer, and then we have some content. So this is the layout for this page. We can have other layouts. So for example, header and then left navigation and then footer, or maybe some video or text images. So that is called layout of the page. Now to create that page, first we have to create template. Then we have to create one page using that template, and then we can configure functional components to it. Okay. Editable template is where we are giving authors so that they can change the layout. So in this video we will talk about editable template. Now to create editable template, first we will go to the sites.html. First we will create template folder. We'll go to tools. We'll click on configuration browser. We'll create our new folder. Click on editable templates. Click on create. Folder is created. Go back to tools and then templates. Go to your template folder, click on create, and we have two templates options available. Let's select HTML5 page, click on next, give it a name, click on create. If you want to do any modification, we can click on open, otherwise we can click on done. Let's edit it. Okay, in this we have some options available, so let's start with one by one. This is to toggle this left pane. Here we can add the components, the list of components available, list of assets, and the content tree. Second one is the different options available, for example page policy, or you want to publish the template, or you want to view in admin. Third one is if you want to emulate this, as in if you the page template page in different devices. Then structure is basically you want to define the structure of this template. I will just let you know how to do it. Initial content, so for example you want to set initial content to this template. So for say header and then footer, you want to fix it, so initial content and then layout. And if you want to preview it, let me add some content to it. I will add text. I will add text image. I will add one image. Okay, let's see how can we use this structure. So for example, I want to add I want to just align it to left hand side. Maybe I want to add more images to it. I will just copy it and paste it. We'll paste it. Yeah. Yeah. So using this, we can actually do some alignment to it. Okay. To make it enable the template, what we have to do right now, this is in draft condition. We'll just enable it. So once you actually enable it, you can go to CRXDE. So the template will be available under conf and the folder what we have created, my first template, settings, WCM, templates, and this is the template. Just copy this path because we are going to need it. Let me, as in, how can we use this template while creation of page? So just click on sites, and then for example I want to create a page under EN. So just edit the properties of EN, go to advanced, and then here we have template settings, means for which templates we can create the pages. So just add the template path what we have just created, and then save and close. Now if I want to create a page under it, I will have the option. This is my new template, and just select it. This is my first page. Open it. Now if we see the whatever we have configured in the template, that is available, but the issue is we are not able to add it or add new components to it. So to make it that thing possible, what we have to do, go to the template again. Okay, and this is the layout container. Okay, and if you see this lock here, just unlock it. Okay, and then what we have to do, we have to create the page again. I will just create the page again using the same template. Open it. Now we have the option available. We can configure more components to it. Other than that, if you see on this template, this layout container, right, we have this option. This is for policy. Okay, policies are nothing but we can define few properties to a specific template. For example, which components are allowed. So for say on this template I want to allow all general components, or maybe I have created my own group where I have more components. I want to allow every components to it, so I will just select it. Okay, and also styles. I have recorded another video. Basically, in AEM playlist, if you can watch that video, styles are nothing but those are useful for authors, where for a specific template, if you want to add more CSS styles, you can add it, and those will be available while configuring the components. Okay, just so this is how we create editable template, and we create pages using editable template. So that's it in this video.